Riwruok mar jopuonjrego ma puonjo jopuonj mabende kata jopuonjre ma odak koda kit ng'ol ma opogore opogore mong'ere kaka Kusnet kata Kenya Union of Special Needs Education Teachers koro nitowuok oko kendo bandho mondo omi Jatend Piny William Ruto onyal chopo kare singo mabende ne oketnegi higa nendo mar mokalo mane oyango ni ok chop nendo mano mar 9 mar 2025 kapok ochwalgi e ngas ma opogore opogore kaachiel koda timo moko kuom dwachgi ma moko kane oloso e kinde nyasi nendo mabende ne obagi e skul nendo mano mayudore Waondo e Mpita Sub County ma Homa Bay. Migosi James Tarome mabende en jagoro mar Kusnet koro ne to wacho ni William Ruto ne osingo mar miyogi ber ma opogore opogore. Kata kamano koro en dweche maromo 6 ka onge gimoro amora ma giseneno bang' singo makama.
Concern after the teachers unions were invited in State House. That was on the 13th September 2025. This is now 6 months down the line. The presidential directive have not been implemented. One job group. The president promised us to give him the feedback of the second job group. So we are asking Teacher Service Commission, the chair and the CEO, to move with speed. To move with speed. Before the end of this month, we want to get the results. We understand the finance minister, Bandi, release that document so that Teacher Service Commission can give our teachers one job group. Finally, we sign an agreement with the Housing Committee. That agreement was to elapse on the 13th of March. So we are telling the president, sack the PS. He have never convened any meeting with the teachers since we left State House. So we don't know anything happening there. Hinga must go because we don't know what he's doing there. Teachers in every unit, they are going to get 20% of the housing. But since we signed that document, which was for a life of 6 months, the 6 months now are over. So we don't know what's happening there. The PS, Hinga, he have never called for any meeting.
To thank the fraternity of Kusnet, led by Mr. James Tarome, for bringing us food items and non-food items. It is going to help us push up to the next term because our stores are now full, courtesy of Kusnet leadership. We thank you so much and we request that if you get time again, come. We welcome everybody here. Thank you so much.
What are some of the challenges?
You can see for yourself the infrastructure is in bad shape. The road leading to school is not reachable, it's not accessible, it's pathetic. We had to follow through the primary section, so we don't even have a dormitory. We are using classrooms as dormitories. The numbers, we are now even limiting admission because of the shortage of facilities.